If you love dining out but hate watching your bank account shrink every time you step into a restaurant, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing my top restaurant tips and tricks that have helped me save hundreds of pounds while still enjoying amazing meals out. Whether you're a foodie on a budget, a student trying to stretch your money, or just someone who wants to be smarter about dining expenses, stick around because I've got some game-changing strategies that restaurants don't want you to know about. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about timing. When you eat can be just as important as where you eat. Happy hour specials. Most restaurants offer happy hour deals between 3 to 6 p.m. on weekdays. But here's the secret. Many places extend these deals to food, not just drinks. You can often get appetizers for half price or special menu items at significant discounts. Early bird dinners. Many restaurants offer early bird specials if you dine before 6 p.m. These are typically the same dishes from their regular menu, but at lower prices. Weekday versus weekend. Tuesday through Thursday are often the cheapest days to dine out. Restaurants are trying to fill seats during slower periods, so they'll offer better deals. Off-peak hours, arriving right when they open for lunch or dinner, often means better service and sometimes unadvertised specials that servers might mention. Pro tip: call ahead and ask about any current promotions. Staff are usually happy to tell you about deals, especially if you sound genuinely interested in dining there. Your smartphone is your best friend when it comes to restaurant savings. Restaurant apps. Download apps for your favorite chain restaurants. Most offer exclusive deals, birthday freebies, and points systems. Nando's, Pizza Express, Wagamama. They all have apps with regular offers. Third-party apps. Apps like Groupon, Voucher, and Taste Card offer significant discounts. Taste Card, for example, gives you 2-for-1 meals or 50% off at thousands of restaurants for an annual fee that pays for itself after just a few uses. Social media follows. Follow restaurants on Instagram and Facebook. They often post flash sales, limited time offers, and special codes that aren't advertised elsewhere. Email lists. Sign up for restaurant newsletters. Yes, your inbox might get fuller, but you'll be the first to know about new promotions, and many places send exclusive coupons to subscribers. Loyalty programs. Even if you only visit a place occasionally, join their loyalty program. Points add up faster than you think, and many programs offer birthday rewards or surprise bonuses. Now, let's talk about how to navigate menus like a pro. Skip the specials board. This might sound counterintuitive, but specials are often the most expensive items. They're designed to sound exclusive and premium, but regular menu items usually offer better value. Look for lunch portions. Many restaurants serve smaller portions of dinner entrees at lunch prices even during dinner hours. Ask your server if lunch portions are available. You might save £5 to £10 per dish. Share strategically. Restaurant portions are often huge. Instead of ordering individual mains, consider ordering 2 to 3 appetizers or sharing a main and adding a side salad. You'll often eat just as much for less money. Prefix menus. These set menus might seem expensive up front, but calculate the individual item costs. If you are planning to order an appetizer, main, and dessert anyway, prefix often saves you money. Avoid the drinks markup. Restaurant drinks have the highest markup. Water with lemon is free and helps cleanse your palate between bites. If you do want alcohol, check if they allow BYOB with a corkage fee. It might still be cheaper than their wine prices. Dining with others opens up more money-saving opportunities. Family-style ordering. Order fewer dishes and share everything. Most cuisines are designed for sharing, and you'll get to try more variety while spending less per person. Group discounts. Many restaurants offer discounts for groups of 6 or more, especially for birthdays or celebrations. Call ahead and ask about group rates. Split the bill smartly. Instead of splitting evenly, consider one person paying and others transferring their share. This way, only one person gets the receipt for expense, tracking, or credit card points. Potluck style. For casual places, suggest everyone orders something different and shares. You get variety without paying for multiple full meals. Birthday strategy. If someone in your group has a recent birthday, mention it when you arrive. Many places offer free desserts or special treatment for birthday celebrations. Seasonal menus. Restaurants often discount items that are going out of season. Late summer is great for seafood specials, while winter might bring cheaper comfort food options. Location matters. The same restaurant chain can have different prices in different areas. Tourist areas are always more expensive. So if you're willing to travel a bit further from city centers or popular attractions, you'll find better deals. University areas, restaurants near colleges and universities often have student discounts. And even if you're not a student, these areas tend to have more budget-friendly options overall. Business districts, restaurants and business areas often have great lunch deals designed for office workers on tight schedules and budgets. New restaurant openings. Keep an eye out for new restaurants in your area. They often have grand opening specials, soft opening discounts, or promotional pricing for their first few weeks to attract customers. Here are some next-level strategies for serious savers. Mystery dining programs. Some companies pay you to dine out and provide feedback. You get reimbursed for your meal, plus a small fee. Look into companies like Market Force or IntelliShop. Credit card rewards. Use credit cards that offer bonus points or cash back for dining. Some cards offer 3 to 5% back on restaurant purchases. Just make sure you pay off the balance monthly. Gift card discounts. Buy discounted gift cards from websites like Raise or Gift Card Granny. You can often get 10 to 20% off face value, which translates to immediate savings. Corporate discounts. Check if your employer offers dining discounts through programs like Perks at Work or similar employee benefit platforms. Student discounts. Even if you're not currently a student, if you have a valid student ID from any point in your life, some places might still honor it. Obviously, be honest if asked about your current status. Military and senior discounts. If applicable, always ask about these discounts. Many restaurants offer them even if they're not advertised. Let's quickly cover what not to do. Don't over-tip on pre-tax amount. Calculate tips on the pre-tax total, not the final bill with tax included. Avoid peak times. Friday and Saturday nights are the most expensive times to dine out. Restaurants know they'll be busy, so they have less incentive to offer deals. Skip the sides. Restaurant sides are often overpriced for what you get. If the main dish doesn't come with vegetables, you might be better off with a larger main dish instead of adding expensive sides. Don't fall for upselling. Servers are trained to suggest additions, upgrades, and extras. Politely decline unless you genuinely want them. Avoid impulse desserts. Restaurant desserts have huge markups. If you're craving something sweet, consider stopping at a grocery store or a cafe afterward for a fraction of the price. Before we wrap up, here are 3 bonus tips. Lunch instead of dinner. Many restaurants serve the same quality food at lunch with smaller portions and lower prices. Perfect for trying expensive restaurants on a budget. Ask about portions. Don't be shy about asking servers about portion sizes. They can often recommend the best value options or suggest modifications. Doggy bags are your friend. Don't be embarrassed about taking leftovers home. You're essentially getting 2 meals for the price of 1. So there you have it. My top strategies for saving money while dining out. The key is to be strategic. Do a little research and don't be afraid to ask questions. Remember, the goal isn't to be cheap. It's to be smart with your money so you can enjoy dining out more often without breaking the bank. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving content. Drop a comment below with your favorite restaurant money-saving tip. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.